What if I told you a simple banana peel could bring new life to your plants? Not by burying it, but by rubbing it directly on the leaves. Take one fresh banana peel and turn it to the soft inner side. Gently rub this side over the surface of your plant's leaves. As you do this, you're not just wiping away dust, you're giving your plants a natural shine and a boost of nutrients. Banana peels are rich in potassium and phosphorus, which help leaves grow stronger and healthier. This simple process also works as a gentle shield. The natural oils in the peel make the leaves less attractive to pests like aphids and mites, while at the same time improving the plant's ability to take in light for photosynthesis. The result? Cleaner, brighter, more vigorous plants without any chemicals. You don't need to do this every day. Just once or twice a week is enough to see the difference. Indoor plants especially benefit, since they often collect dust and lose their glow. So next time you snack on a banana, don't throw away the peel. Instead, rub it into your garden story and let nature show you just how powerful simple acts can be.